Welcome to Frost Astrophotography. So it's the middle of summer here in Sweden and no astro darkness in sight. So I'm sitting on the couch, browsing through my flow of astrophotography images, looking to get inspired and collect some targets for this winter, when suddenly an email appears on my phone. So the email was from NASA APOD, Astronomy Picture of the Day, saying that one of my images has been selected to be featured on their website. Now, when I started in this hobby 1.5 seasons ago, I decided that one of my main goals was to be featured on the NASA Astronomy Picture of the Day website. So that has been what I have aspired to do with all of my images. And finally, the wish came true. For those of you not familiar with the NASA APOD, it is a website provided by NASA and the Michigan Technological University dedicated to astronomical images. Each day, a different image or photograph is featured on this website, and along with that, a brief explanation written by a professional astronomer. The NASA Astronomy Picture of the Day is one of the oldest and most popular astronomy websites. And I know many of my fellow friends and colleagues who are astrophotographers really want to have their images featured on this website. To visit the website, just type in apod.nasa.gov and you will be transferred to their website. Without further ado, the astronomy picture of the day on July 7th, 2023 is the double cluster in Perseus by myself, Morten Frost. My version of the double cluster feature LRGB stars along with an H-alpha background, which is the red that you can see in the image here. The total exposure of this image is 8.3 hours. Most of the exposures are in H-alpha, of course, because the H-alpha signal is very weak in this area. I'm hoping maybe to be able to revisit this target to gather some more H-alpha data to see if I can bring out even more of the H-alpha clouds surrounding the double cluster. I'm very honored to be selected as a NASA Astronomy Picture of the Day feature so early in my astrophotography career, and hopefully I will be able to submit and be selected many more times in this fantastic hobby. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already doing so. If you like to contribute to the production of these videos, there is an option listed in the video description that you can use. Until the next video, I wish you have clear skies.